Hey there! If you're running into issues in Brawl Stars and need help from support, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through the exact steps to contact Brawl Stars support through Supercell the easy way. So instead of digging through menus, just open any browser and head to Google, then type in Supercell Brawl Stars support forum. Look for the first result that says Brawl Stars support, Supercell. That's the official one. Go ahead and click it. Once the page loads, you'll see a login button, usually right in the middle. Click it and log in using your Supercell ID. After logging in, select the type of issue you're facing. Let's say it's a payment issue. Just choose payments and purchases from the list. Your email and player tag should autofill from your login. Just describe your issue in the message box and complete the CAPTCHA to prove you're not a bot. Once everything looks good, hit the submit button. That's it. Your request goes straight to Supercell's support team. And that's how to contact Brawl Stars support in just a few steps. If this helped, go ahead and like the video, maybe subscribe, and check out more Brawl Stars tips right here.